Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete Claude chat history. Once you clear your Claude chat history, let's delete it safely. Sometimes you want a fresh start, better privacy, or just a cleaner workspace. And in 2026, Claude allows you to delete chats individually or clear chat history. So let's walk through it step by step. The first thing we want to do is to go to Claude.ai. You're going to open your web browser, then search for Claude, then you're going to open the website Claude.ai. Once you're in the website, you're going to go to the chat history. As you can see, it's like here in the left side. You're going to find this in the left side. Then you're going to find the conversation you want to delete. For example, I'm just going to choose this one. You're going to click the delete icon after you click on the three dots right here and choose delete from here. From these options, you're going to choose the delete. And you're going to confirm by clicking again on delete. Just like this. And just like this, you deleted the conversation. You can repeat it for others as many times as you want. Just like this. You can click on it. You can choose some conversation from here. Just read the name of the conversation, choose the one you want to delete, then delete it. Now, deleted chats cannot be recovered, and logging out does not delete history. Also, double check before deleting and export chats before removal if needed. You can do that just by copying the contents of the chat. And that's it. Now you know how to delete Claude chat history in 2026 and keep things clean. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.